Hey gardeners, I'm proud to announce that the Urban Gardener channel has surpassed 10,000 subscribers. So now what? So the answer to that question is more. More videos, more gardening, more growing. Growing more food and growing this channel. So please share our channel with your friends to help us grow this channel into the future and continue our great gardening adventure. And I just returned from a trip to Las Vegas and Los Angeles, where I got to do some really great videos with some really great gardeners. I got a link down in the description below to a video I made of that adventure, and you can get a good sneak peek into those upcoming guests and videos. Or you can just click that iCard right up above, and I'll see you all on our next episode.